Welcome, new residents, to the great state of Wyoming, a place where freedom truly rings and the spirit of independence thrives. Moving here means embracing a unique way of life, especially when it comes to our firearm laws, which are among the most permissive in the United States. We understand you might be coming from states with stricter regulations, so let's explore what makes Wyoming a beacon for Second Amendment rights. One of the most celebrated aspects is our constitutional carry law, effective since July 1st, 2021. This means if you're at least 21 years old and legally able to possess a firearm, you can carry it concealed without needing a permit. While not required, Wyoming still issues concealed firearm permits, or CFPs, which offer benefits like reciprocity with other states and exemption from federal background checks for purchases. To obtain a CFP, you generally need to be a U.S. resident, live in Wyoming for 6 months, and be at least 21, though exceptions exist for those 18 and older with a sheriff's recommendation. Next, let's talk about the duty to inform law, which is often misunderstood. Wyoming has a quasi-duty to inform, meaning you are not required to proactively tell a law enforcement officer you are carrying a concealed firearm. However, if an officer asks, you must present your concealed carry permit, if you have one, along with a valid form of identification. Now, for those interested in suppressors, also known as silencers, you'll be pleased to know they are legal to own and use for any lawful purpose here, including hunting. There are no state-level licensing or additional paperwork requirements beyond what federal law mandates. To legally acquire one, you'll need to comply with the National Firearms Act, which includes submitting an ATF Form 4, paying a $200 tax stamp, and undergoing a background check. Another fantastic freedom Wyoming offers is the complete absence of magazine capacity restrictions. That's right, you can legally own magazines of any capacity in our state without limitation. This reflects Wyoming's commitment to upholding the Second Amendment without unnecessary burdens on law-abiding citizens. Beyond these specifics, Wyoming also embraces open carry without a permit for anyone at least 18 years old who is legally entitled to carry. Our state also proudly features a stand your ground law, meaning you have no duty to retreat before using reasonable defensive force if attacked in a lawful place. Furthermore, Wyoming has state preemption of firearms laws, ensuring local governments cannot impose stricter regulations than state law. We also do not have a red flag law, nor is firearm registration required, further safeguarding your rights. The Castle Doctrine is also firmly in place, granting you the right to use force, including deadly force, to defend yourself against an intruder in your home. For those with a Wyoming concealed firearm permit, remember to notify the Division of Criminal Investigation within 30 days if you change your address. Also, be aware that your Wyoming driver's license is linked to your concealed firearm permit, so law enforcement will be notified if they run your license. By understanding these key aspects, you can confidently exercise your Second Amendment rights and fully embrace the freedoms Wyoming offers. We hope this overview helps you feel more at home and informed in our wonderful state. Wyoming truly is a place where personal liberty and responsibility go hand in hand, creating a welcoming environment for all who cherish freedom. We're thrilled to have you join our community and experience the unique spirit of the Cowboy State. To stay informed and support our content, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Wyoming.